What mistakes do ERISA disability carriers or plans make in their denial or termination letter about what additional information they want from you to be able to perfect your claim? Now, as a nationwide ERISA disability attorney, I find that ERISA disability carriers and plans routinely violate ERISA regulations. And one of the requirements under the ERISA regulations is that they tell you what it is they want you to submit to let them review the claim and make a favorable determination. Now, I know they don't want to pay. They know that I know they don't want to pay. And so we're playing this game, if you will. And part of the game is these vague statements about what it is you should be providing. They'll say things like, well, you need to provide objective evidence, but they don't tell you if the policy defines the term objective evidence and what objective evidence is. Is it X-rays, CT scans, MRIs, EMG, nerve conduction study tests? What are the studies that they are particularly looking for? Now, the other game here is that the policy or plan may not even require objective medical evidence, and they'll demand that you provide information and give you a laundry list of things that's not necessarily relevant to your disabling medical condition. They'll also make statements like, your medical records don't really explain your symptoms, the studies aren't consistent with your restrictions, you're not getting appropriate treatment. And if they don't tell you why there is a problem, it's hard for you to submit any documentation to contest this denial or termination. They'll tell you, you send us what you think is important. Well, that what I think is important or you think is important may not be what they're really looking for. So this is a bit of a guessing game on the part of us, and that's something that we can attack in an appeal letter by saying, look, you issued this denial letter, it says blah, 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 but it really doesn't explain what it is you want. So we think you want X, Y, or Z, and we'll send a letter to them and say, okay, is that what you want? And they'll come back with gobbledygook, but at least I can show that we have asked. Obviously, I'm going to submit updated medical records, any diagnostic studies that have occurred, and anything that will attack the basis of their liar for hires doctor's review and conclusions about the testing, about your restrictions, whatever it is. We want to try to extrapolate the best we can what we think is missing, and then invite them in our appeal letter to tell us if there's anything else. Let us know. We'd be more than happy to submit it. Got it? If you have any questions about your rights to your ERISA disability benefits, or your benefits have been denied or terminated, call us today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.